Good morning. I did a terrible job filming yesterday, but I didn't get all that much done. It was more of a sit and stare and figure out what I'm gonna do day. But I did do a couple things, so I'm gonna catch you up. Put the tops on that. I like that curve. I like the overhang. This is gonna be like a catch-all, kind of that shape. It's not done yet because I don't really know what its purpose is yet. What else did I do? I put up this wall, but that wall is gonna have to come down because I have a new idea. This is gonna be the kitchen, and I can't really build the kitchen until I get the pieces in. So that's gonna wait a little bit, which stinks, but 'tis what it is. I put the bed up. This is just down right now, but it goes up and then it pulls forward like my last bed. Pulley system's in, that's all works. That is done. Boom, there's gonna be storage under there, which is actually, I was gonna make the drawer from the back pull all the way through, but then it didn't really make much sense, so I didn't do it. And then in the back, I added this guy in, which is a ton of storage. I've got little slits so I can put dividers in. What else? Oh, the outdoor table. Check that bad boy out. Did it on my last van. It was bigger because it was a bigger van. But I mean, look how good that looks. It just pops down. Beautiful. I think that's all I really got done. Today, I'm not really sure what my plan is. I can't do the kitchen, so I'm kind of at a standstill. So I think I'm just gonna add a couple perfection things. I want to add a little cubby into there that holds my water bottle specifically, and a thing for like my phone holder arm to hook into. Oh, and staring around yesterday, there's no reason there can't be a drawer right here. So I'm gonna do that today too. At least that's the plan. It's coming along. I wish it was going faster, but I can't do the kitchen till I get the stuff ordered, and the stuff can't get ordered yet. So for now, we do little stuff. Little stuff's still fun. Let's get to it. I'm using this line, a pencil line, I don't know if you can see it, that I know is perpendicular to this piece of wood to measure off of so it stays square. Alright, square is marked. I'm going to drill the corners and then cut it. There's gonna be a lot of sawdust. But that's what vacuums are for. Alright, and now I just cut. Alright, now you gotta build the box. Have the box. The water bottle fits in the box. Everything is set to attach it to the wall, so I just have to put a back on it, and then it should just go in. This is kind of going simpler than I thought it would. goofy back here. All them cubbies. Alright, this is the next thing I want to add. Little phone holder thingy. I want to like put it in there. So the plan is just cut a hole that this fits in. And then it'll go in and slide onto it. Hell yeah. Alright, those two things are done. Water bottle holder, phone holder. It's a holder. Now I think I'm going to put a shelf in this wall. Because that's what I'm doing over there. That's going to be different because it's got a new idea. But I think, I don't see why not, I can't put a little shelf right here. I'm not sure for what, but it would look cool. And I like shelves, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna work on that drawer. Perfect little hole for a shelf. Maybe like plants or something. I don't know. We shall see. Alright, there's a little shelf. I think that's pretty adorable, and it's a very pretty piece of wood. I don't know if you can see it, but I was saving this for something cool, so I'm glad. Now we gotta see if it fits, and it's gonna be very tight because I want it very tight, so it might take some shimmying and shaving and stuff, but oh, hell yeah. That's freaking sweet. I might have to do more of them. Alright, next project is putting a drawer there. Not really entirely sure I'm going to do it, so I'm going to sit and stare for a little, and then once I get going, I'll bring you back in. Alright, there's our drawer, pretty good sized drawer. Now I'm just gonna mark where to put the Craigs, put them in there, put it together, and then figure out the slide system. For the rails, I'm just doing wooden, you see that? Wooden rails, because it's easier and works pretty much just as well for tiny little drawers like this. Boom, drawer, wood rails. That's a lot of space. That was dead space. Now we just have to figure out how to put it in. So this is going in here. Look at that. Dead space to drawer space. And that square is going to be the table. Alright, I got this all set. These are going to fill the gaps. This is going to be the slide. Goes into there, and that's where the side's on. So the only thing left is to cut the hole, which I'm doing last because I didn't want to do. But now there's nothing else but to do it. Hole is cut, mess is made. Now to just set up the rails. These are my rails. I gotta go over a bit, over the edge. This one goes over there like that. See how that edge goes over? This one hangs off the bottom of that 2x4 like that. Almost done. Let's see if it all fits. No. Plus that. Plus those. This thing is dope. Look at this freaking thing. More. That's gonna be a table. I am really liking it. This thing is so sick.